us all stand. Let us pray. May request Mr. Bitogo to lead the prayer.
Grant for Holy Delivered to Senator.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Before we take your class, may we have some pieces of paper under your chair. You may take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
May I know who are absent today?
None, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, class, did you make your assignment?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Aldrin, can you collect the assignment and pass them in front? Thank you, Mr. Aldrin. But before we proceed to our next topic, let us have first short review. What was our previous topic, class? Okay, Ms. Honey.
So our last topic was all about synonyms.
Very good. Can you give me an example of synonyms? Miss Anggot?
Completely or unbearable, sir.
Another example. Mr. Smith.
Destroy and ruin.
Very good. No more question or clarification regarding in our previous topic.
None, sir.
But before we proceed, let me remind you our classroom rules. My first rules, raise your right hand if you want to answer. And the second, participate in every activity. And the third, do not be noise. And the fourth, respect your teacher and classmate. Is that clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Now, I will show you some picture. All you have to do is look at the picture and observe and describe. Okay. Miss Honey, observe.
As I observe, so the first picture, sir, as I see the boy is sad because he's crying. And then second picture, the girl is happy because she is smiling. So sad and happy.
Good. Great idea. How about the second picture? Mr. Smith, can you describe the second picture?
So, sir, the first one is the surrounding is clean because there's no trash around it. And the second one is very messy, or should I say, dirty because of many
Okay. Great idea. Based on the given picture or situation, what do you think is our lesson for today? Okay, Miss Anggot?
So I think our lesson for today is all about antonyms.
Very good. Our lesson for today is all about antonyms. Since we are already done about synonyms, but before we proceed, I want you to read first our objectives that we must attain for this learning. Mr. Aldrin, read for the letter A.
We identify antonyms of words.
Thank you. Mr. Jeffrey.
B.
appreciate the use of antonyms through sentence construction and essay writing.
And Miss Anggot in the class.
C. Perform a different activities using antonyms.
Thank you. What is antonyms? So, our topic is all about antonyms. What is antonyms or Miss Ani?
So, as I explained sa pagyan pa niya, example. So, last activity for me, antonyms is the opposite meaning of the words.
Okay, great idea, Miss Hani. Okay. Antonyms are words that have opposite meaning. For example, the antonyms of hot is cold. Another example, old, young. The old man lived the next door to a young family. So, another example is fast, slow. She drove fast to catch the train, but the traffic made her slow. Miss Lisa, please read the another example.
Happy and sad. After hearing the bad news, from happy to sad in an instant.
Thank you, Miss Lisa. Okay. In this example, old, young, can you underline the antonyms in this example, Miss Annie?
So, so young. So old.
Okay, great idea. And the second example, please underline Miss Lisa, the antonyms. Very good. Mr. Jeffrey, the third example. Only underline the antonyms. Another example of the antonyms. Come, go. Balance and imbalance. So the antonyms are words that have opposite meaning. So, that come, opposite sa come is go. And the opposite of balance is imbalance. This one, delicious. Full. The opposite of delicious is awful. Next, child, adult. Yes, the opposite of child is adult. Understand, class?
Yes,
Good. Now that you understand, the antonyms let us now proceed to our next activity. Take your understanding of the topic for today. You are going to do differentiated tasks. I am clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I group you into the three groups. This be group 1, group 2, and you, Miss Annie, is group 3. Is that clear? Yes. For the group 1, this will be your task. Antonym sentence construction. And please read group 1 the direction.
Provide an example of an antonym pair. Construct a sentence using the antonyms happy and sad. Write the sentence using the antonyms fast and slow.
Okay, thank you. So the rubrics for the group 1 is correct use of antonyms 50 points, sentence construction 10 points, creativity 5 points, a total of 30 points. For the group 2, comics, group 2, please read the direction.
Create moments, great antonyms to showcase their understanding of the concept.
For the rubrics of the group 2, relevance of ideas 15 points, presentation 10 points, preparation 5 points, a total of 30 points. And also the group 3, story writing. Can you please read? The rubrics of the group 3, relevance of ideas 15 points, presentation 10 points, neatness of output 5 points, a total of 20 points. Any question regarding your task? Regarding your task? Good. You may now start working on your task as a group. Each member of the group should participate. You are given 15 minutes to complete the task. The first group to finish will receive another 5 points. for this morning. Present a short yell in your group as an indicator that you are done. And after that, you are going to select 2 members from the group to present that in front of us. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we do now.
We go, 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 we fight, 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 we go, we fight, we fight.
Miss Angot, what group are you?
Group 1, sir.
You have 5 points. Present a yell if you are done. Group 2. Are you done, Group 3?
Yes, sir.
As I said, the first finish your work is have 5 points. Since your Group 2 is the second, you have 3 points. So Group 2. Hey, Group 3, are you done?
Yes, sir.
You present to you. Okay, thank you, Group 3. You have 2 points.
Thank you.
1, present your work. But before you present your work, Group 1, please read the direction first.
First, provide an example of antonyms verb. Second, construct the sentences in the antonyms happy and sad. Third is rewrite the sentence using the antonyms fast and slow. So, he went from happy to sad after hearing the news. So, the antonyms word here is happy, happy and sad. He went from fast to slow as he adjusted to pace of the marathon. The antonyms word her is fast and slow.
Okay. Let us give a barangay clap to the Group 1. Okay, let us proceed to the Group 2. Before you present please read the direction first.
Direction. Read, comment, click, antonyms, and showcase changing answer. Good. So here we create a comic strip. Panel number 1.
A character is running frantically with a pack station.
Create a comic strip antonyms to showcase your understanding of concept. So here is the comic strip. Panel 1 is
Panel 1 is a character is running frantically with a pack station. I need to hurry.
panel 2. The same character is now walking leisurely, looking relaxed. Taking it slow pace, guys. That's all.
So, give 5 claps for the group 2. Okay, group 3, please present your work.
So the direction, write the story using at least 10 antonyms pairs to demonstrate creativity and language proficiency. So I have here a short story entitled Max. Okay, so Max, known for his reckless ways, woke up unusually lazy one morning. Instead of his typically rush, he took his time enjoying the comfort of his bed. Surprisingly, his laziness turned into productivity as he meticulously tended to his garden. Later, faced with a long queue at a fast food joint, he opted to cook a healthy meal at home. Then, his cautious friend Emily convinced him to try skydiving, where Max found unexpected serenity while Emily embraced the career. In the end, they both learned the value of stepping out of their comfort zone. So, this will be the antonyms pairs that I have first. So first we have the reckless, and so the opposite meaning of this is cautious. Next we have the word lazy, and the opposite meaning of this is productive. And also I have here rush, and the opposite meaning of this is take time. And last, impulsive, and the opposite meaning of this is ridiculous. And that's also
Okay, awesome. Very good, group 3. Let's have a barangay clap for the group 3. Class, did you understand our lesson for today, class?
yes.
Very good. Now, Miss Honey, can you explain to us the importance of antonyms?
So, one of the important antonyms is use kasi and sentence construction or and say right success. That's the short part of antonyms.
Excellent. I'm glad that you are able to understand our topic for this morning. Do you have any question regarding to our topic? Since there is none, we will have short quiz. Okay, the direction is. The direction depends.
Direction. So,
Okay, I give you this one, the answer sheet. Don't forget to write your answer. I'll give you 10 minutes to answer that. Are you done, class?
That's it, sir.
Okay. Are you done, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Miss Honey, please collect the answer sheet and pass it in front. Thank you, Miss Honey. For your assignment, class, I'll give you the assignment. Please. Okay, Miss Mr. Smith, please read the direction for the assignment.
So, the right one is write a short essay discussing the significance of antonyms in language and communication.
Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
That's all for today. Please stand up and let us pray. Mr. Aldrin, please read the prayer. Bye, students.
Goodbye.